ready to earn big with minimal effort. A brand new airdrop is launching this November, and unlike the ones that take months to pay off, this one is designed for quick, easy gains. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can start collecting tokens and boosting your rewards in no time. Let's dive in and secure those profits. Starting off with the latest update from the official Telegram page, it says, "Big drop incoming." Yes, the highly anticipated new airdrop is just around the corner, and now is the perfect time to pay attention to how you can maximize your token collection. This airdrop is specifically targeted for Lyre citizens, which means there's a great opportunity for those who act quickly to climb the rankings and significantly increase their rewards. Whether you're new to the platform or a seasoned player, this event gives everyone a chance to benefit from some easy earnings. Together, we'll walk through the steps to ensure you can claim your tokens without any hassle. So stay tuned, and let's get you set up to make the most out of this new drop. Don't miss out on your chance to boost your rewards and position yourself for future airdrops too. Now, this isn't just another simple app where you collect daily updates and leave, it's much more dynamic. You're about to dive into token farming, and trust me, it's super easy once you get the hang of it. This is where you can really start seeing your efforts pay off, turning small actions into a growing source of passive income over time. The first thing you'll want to do is stay updated by regularly checking the news. This is crucial because, in many ways, farming tokens here works like mining platforms. By staying informed, you can capitalize on opportunities for earning more tokens throughout the day. Let me walk you through a quick example. I'll claim my seedlings, which serve as your initial batch of tokens. These accumulate over time, gradually growing into a substantial amount if you're consistent. The more you engage, the more you earn. What's great is that you can start collecting every 3 hours, but if you find it difficult to check in so frequently, there's an option to extend that collection window to 24 hours. This means you'll only need to log in once a day to harvest your tokens. It's perfect for those of you who have busy schedules. In just a moment, I'll show you exactly how to set that up so you can farm efficiently and make the most of your time. By the end of this section, you'll have a clear strategy in place for maximizing your token farming efforts, allowing you to generate a steady stream of income with minimal effort. So let's get into it. The goal here is to collect as many seeds as possible, which will lead to more tokens. But before we continue, let me explain some key terms you need to be familiar with in the app. You'll encounter terms like worms, eggs, birds. These items play an essential role in earning real achievements. Whether you pick them up or buy them with your seeds, each one adds value to your collection. To increase your earnings, go to the Earn tab. You'll find various tasks you can complete to earn more seeds. For instance, by exploring trending airdrops or retweeting news, you can gain extra rewards. Here's where things get interesting. When you farm tokens, you'll notice a tree icon. Think of it like farming in real life. It's a continuous process that generates value over time. You'll see worms and other valuable items like eggs that you can collect. The rarer the item, the more seeds they contribute to your balance. For example, common worms might give you 2.98 seeds. Rare worms could be worth as much as 7.6 seeds. But here's a tip, don't sell your collected items, as they increase the value of your tokens over time. Remember, seeds are what get you paid, so holding on to them is key. Let's move to the star icon. Although it allows you to buy items like eggs, I don't recommend using your stars for purchases here. Stick to gathering seeds instead. Next, you'll see a backpack icon. This is where you can store your collected worms, eggs, and birds. You can also hatch eggs, which will help you find more valuable items on your tree, boosting your seed count even further. There's also a fun daily game called Spin the Egg where you can win extra items. Each day, you get a free spin, and with referrals, you can earn even more tickets for additional spins. This can reward you with items like free eggs, which add to your collection. Even without referrals, the game gives you a free ticket every day, so don't miss out on this easy way to boost your earnings. If you're someone who enjoys taking the lead and helping others succeed, the app offers a unique feature that allows you to step into a leadership role through its guide system. This isn't just about completing tasks on your own anymore. You can now build your own group of followers and lead them through various tasks and challenges, adding an exciting layer of responsibility and collaboration. Here's how it works. By creating or joining a guide, you become a mentor to your team members. Your role is to guide them through specific tasks, helping them understand the best strategies for farming tokens, completing achievements, and making the most out of the platform's features. Not only does this system enhance the community experience, but it also boosts your earning potential, as your team's progress contributes to your rewards. The more you and your group achieve together, the higher you'll climb in the app's rankings, unlocking exclusive bonuses and earning more tokens along the way. You can also create your own custom strategies and share them with your team, making the experience feel even more personal and rewarding. As a leader, you're not only benefiting from your own efforts but also from the collective success of your group. This is an incredible opportunity for those who want to take their experience to the next level, transforming it from a solo journey into a team-driven mission. And the best part? It's both fun and highly profitable. So, if you've got what it takes to inspire and lead, this guide system will be your key to unlocking even greater rewards. Ready to build your own guide and lead your team to success? Let's dive into how you can get started and begin maximizing your earnings as a leader. Now, if you want to boost your items even more, click on your profile picture at the top right, and you'll be able to connect your wallet and track your achievements. As you progress, you'll collect badges. These badges are essential for unlocking even more rewards in the upcoming airdrop. The more badges you unlock, the bigger your rewards. If you want to boost your earnings even faster, you can upgrade items like trees and seeds. You'll find options to increase the time between claims or to plant faster, making the process more efficient. Lastly, we have holy water, which supercharges your earning speed. Completing missions is key to unlocking the higher levels of holy water. For every mission you complete, your earning speed increases, making it easier to collect more tokens over time. To wrap it up, start farming and completing tasks quickly because the first snapshot for this airdrop will happen soon. Don't worry if you miss the first or second snapshot, just make sure you've accumulated enough seeds before the third and final one to maximize your airdrop rewards. And don't forget to connect your wallet by clicking on your profile picture, ensuring you're ready for the airdrop when it goes live. That's it for today's guide. Make sure to follow these steps so you don't miss out on the upcoming November airdrop. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you in the next one.